Looking for a power strip that keeps your desk organized while protecting your devices? This multi-outlet surge protector power strip delivers exactly that. With 8 surge-protected AC outlets, it's perfect for charging everything from your laptop to your phone, camera, and more, all from one compact, clutter-free station. What sets this power strip apart is its 3,550 joule energy rating, designed to shield your valuable electronics from overloads, short circuits, power spikes, and even lightning strikes. Whether you're powering a home theater system, broadband modem, or printer, this surge protector keeps your gear safe and running smoothly. Space is often a challenge, but not here. The outlets are widely spaced to fit large plugs and bulky charger bricks without blocking adjacent sockets. Plus, its slim profile and 6-foot heavy-duty cord with a 3-prong flat plug make it easy to tuck into tight spots, ideal for home offices, gaming setups, or workstations. Safety is a priority with built-in slide locks on each outlet to protect kids and prevent accidental use of unused sockets. The advanced power conditioning ensures optimal performance even when multiple devices are plugged in simultaneously. That means fewer cords, less mess, and a cleaner workspace that helps you focus. I've used this surge protector behind my TV and at my son's computer station, and it's been a game changer. The outlet design offers flexibility for both standard plugs and bulky power bricks, which usually block other sockets. The angled plugs provide a secure connection that won't easily disconnect if bumped, avoiding frustrating power interruptions. Belkin's reputation for quality shows here. The ABS casing protects internal circuits from fire, rust, and damage, while the unit supports up to 6,000 volts spike voltage, 15 amps AC, 125 volts, and 1,875 watts. Plus, it comes backed by a lifetime warranty and a $200,000 connected equipment warranty for peace of mind. If you're tired of juggling multiple chargers and worrying about power surges, this multi-outlet surge protector is worth a look. It combines durability, safety, and smart design to keep your devices powered and protected without the clutter. Ready to upgrade your workspace? Try this surge protector when you're ready to simplify your power setup and safeguard your electronics with confidence.